Oh my God, the Facebook DJs, they're killing me. They're giving it away. The prices keep going farther and farther down. It's difficult to compete high. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for checking in on the Little Dog and Pony Show. And yeah, I've been hearing that a lot lately. In fact, I have seen the Facebook groups that bridals people have put together, mostly brides, mostly people buying, little groups that say things like, well, I'm looking for a DJ that's reasonably priced. I'm looking for one that won't break the bank, something that's not going to kill me with pricing. And the worst part about that request is you would think that there was those requests on Facebook would go silent, but they don't. All of a sudden you've got 10, 50, 200, 250 DJs in there saying, me, I'm the guy. I'll do it for this much. I'll do it for half that. I'll do it for this much, and I'll do it for less and less and less and less and less. Oh my gosh. And then those of us that are professionals, we go, well, it's over. How can we compete with a thing like that? Well, the thing is, here it is. You can't compete with a thing like that because you're not competing with a thing like that. Just because we're seeing that a lot on Facebook, just because those little Facebook groups on Marketplace and things like that are getting a lot of attention, doesn't mean that all of a sudden those people exist now. Those people always have existed. Every client that's ever hired you for whatever price that you charge wanted you to do it for $50 too. It's just that you just would not. Okay? And if you really believe that the reason that you're not getting a lot of calls is because there's DJs out there lining up to say, I'm going to do it for absolutely nothing, then you haven't found a way to really express why you are valuable. And these DJs, the only valuable thing that they are putting out there is that they'll do it for nothing. And do what for nothing? I'll bet you a lot of them can't really even answer that question. Okay, what do you get for the $200 DJ that's going to come and do the wedding for that couple? Well, they're going to talk about their equipment. They're going to talk about the fact that they've got a Wi-Fi signal that can get anything they want from music, that they've got a great controller that they can mix, that they can scratch, that they can probably maybe sort of almost do, I guess, probably. But really, what they're doing is saying, I am better than nothing. You're not that, are you? So if you refuse to play in the pool, then the pool can't touch you. Okay? Honestly, you can't go and jump into those pools because then it will bring up that old feeling that you think you need to compare, that all of a sudden those guys out there are as good as you, or you're only as good as them, and if they're giving it away, I better give it away too. No, that's not the case. You cannot swim in a kiddie pool. That's all. Just don't. Turn those things off. Don't go there. Okay, where are you looking for work? Is that where you're looking for work? Because if that's where you're looking for work, that's where those are the customers you're going to talk to. So don't look there. Okay, don't put yourself into that thing. There's a reason why I don't spend a lot of time putting myself out there advertising in the Knot and Wedding Wire and, well, in any of those online things, because very often it's just a lot of people out there doing and looking the same. I'm not the same. Are you the same? Do you want to be out there on a shopping list, up there on a shelf with the rest of the DJs in the world? Or are you something interesting and different and unique? Are you? Then you need to look at how you communicate that and who you're talking to. If you're in a Facebook group that's asking for $200 DJs, then those customers are the customers you're going to talk to. Stay out of there. There's always going to be that. Just because you found it doesn't mean it's brand new. What do you think of this? Write down in the comments below. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.